Yeah, what's up, viewers? It's still your homeboy again today, City East Simulate, and we're live on City East TV, City Hits Entertainment. If you're just watching us, the very first thing I will tell you to do today is like, subscribe, and share. And also don't forget to leave comments so we can understand what you're really enjoying about our content right now. Right now, we're bringing straight to you the YouTube sensation, the song that has been trending on its own and has hit 4 million listeners, which is Why is majorly about the Psquare breakup. And right now on this channel, what we have done is we have brought the curator of this song, the person that created this song. We have brought him right here. It's just a little twist on Chizoba, and permit me to introduce today to you Tupee. Yeah, Tupee is in the house. So welcome to the superstar.
Yeah,
he has got so much views online.
Thank you.
Yeah, not so easy to eat that. So right now I'm with Tupee. The very first question I'm going to ask Tupee is, what brought about this inspiration?
Shout out to everybody watching City Heat. You know, like if you're listening to the song, you get to understand that I was just trying to share my pain. What I felt, man, when I heard Psquare broke up. For the very first time, 2017, when they broke up, I was like, man, don't mind them, they will come back. Now, normal stuff. Twins, they get issue. Everybody, I get twins where they stay with me, so where would they stay together? So sometimes they get issues and they settle, you understand? So I was like, whatever happens, they're still gonna be Psquare, you understand? So I was very surprised when I find out that, man, they've gone. I mean, they're never going to come back again. I still never believe, even till now, I still believe so one day they will come back, but it's going to be difficult. So, yeah. So what brought about the inspiration of the song is, this guy has been my mentor from day one. So if you listen to the content of the song in the verse 2, that's where I explain what actually makes me sing the song. Like, I've been the fan of Psquare since 2002. I love both of them and their brother too. Even the last night they dropped on that inbox too. It was my favorite too. Still they carry on. Okoro tell me say prefer damn for driver. I told him don't compare Psquare, them no good drivers. Okoro tell me Psquare go break up soon. And what if they break up? Now waiting I go do. Like I told him lie, and this was just like, not like this was a conversation between me and a friend. You understand? I told him lie, because Peter and Paul, they be one, no be two. If Psquare break up, make a no blow. There could be reason why I never blow. So this guy called Okoro.
Yeah.
He used to be my classmate back then in secondary school. So when he came back, he was like, nigga, I told you these guys were gonna break up. Should be they tell me, say lie, if they break up, no, you not blow. You better go search yourself whether not them be the reason behind why you never blow. I got so many songs. So there's a very deep
message in the song.
Not very
like you've heard, you know, so many people have been talking about this, and in fact the storyline is touching. I think this storyline is actually what swept people off their feet, and the storyline is just so emotional, because when I have French ladies trying to write us because of this song, writing even English tenses that we can't easily understand. You should know this song is actually strong and emotional. It eats deep into the people's heart, and that's what it is. So now I want to ask something from Tupee again. Yes, Tupee, like when have you been singing? What brought about this inspiration? As in, what brought you into music as a whole? Because I've known you for like 8 years now, and you're trending seriously.
Yeah, I've already told you the inspiration. I mean, what brought about the inspiration of the music. I started music professionally in 2014.
Okay.
That was when I dropped this particular song, Kilomide. It went viral in my area, and we even shot a video for it.
Okay.
So, but the video did not meet up the standard of the song. The song was heavy compared to the video we got, so we did not promote that video. So my management said, no, this did not go well, so we did not promote that video. But musically, I love music. Music is what I love doing, and I like doing music. I've been doing music from, let me say, my primary school days, because I remember back then when a teacher followed me down home after end of the year party, after the cultural dance and display, all that cultural scene. We did a
cultural dance and all that.
After the cultural dance, the teacher said, "You're gonna do hip hop like you used to rap." You think I didn't used to see? I used to see you like when you hang out with your friends and do hip hop and all that. You need to come and do that here. So I went. I went out. I performed. I did well. So then, we did not have opportunity. I mean, the privilege to go to studio. We do use Psquare. Psquare were the only artists that after their album, they will include like 3 instrumental.
Okay.
In their album. So we always be like, nigga, I'm going to perform with this Psquare beat. You're going to use the other beat. I will use this one.
Okay.
So we go with pen. Then it was cassette, not CD.
Okay.
We just go with your pen, rewind that cassette till when you get to that instrumental part, or you use your tape to put it on rewind. Once you get to that, I remember a day I was performing. I was just miming, playing the instrumental. All of a sudden the cassette coiled.
Okay.
We removed it. I was trying to straighten the thing. It cut off. We play carry scissors. Guy come, no, we cut this thing. Pop, join it back. So that has been a very, very long time ago. So like I said, primary school days, secondary school. So that teacher followed me down home, told my mom, "You need to focus on this boy. If he choose music as a career, support him. He will do well."
Oh wow!
And ever since then, I love music personally.
Okay.
So, and I see it as what I can do best.
Oh wow, that's lovely. I believe you're hearing from the horse mouth the way people do say, because right now, Tupee, I would like you to focus directly on our camera, so we can actually have your face on our TV. You understand? Because you have been an impact to the society, even if nobody actually sees what's happening. We have read over 500 comments on your inspiration. Then it means you're actually connecting to so many people in the society with your talent, your skill, and you've got this deft-minded characterization with your rhythm, melody, and the way everything is shared online. So, like now, what is your next move in the industry now? What's your next move? I see your next move.
All right. After dropping Y, I dropped Y last year, December 2nd. It was on my birthday. I've dropped a couple of songs. I've dropped 2 other songs. I think I dropped Wife Material first, then Who to Marry.
Okay.
Second.
Okay.
So I'm still dropping another song on my birthday this year, December 2nd.
Yes, to bring it back to your mind, Tupee's birthdays are the striking days.
December 2nd.
Like that same song we're talking about was dropped on December 2nd.
Yes.
That was 2017. And that's it, what it is. It is what it is, my nigga. Still on City Entertainment TV. You're getting to know that Tupee's going to be dropping another hit on December 2nd
this time around, I'm going to melt people's
for
hearts.
his followers, anticipate and follow us. If you're just watching us today, like I've been saying, try to like, subscribe, and share the content out here. And also, more importantly, try to leave a comment for us so we can have a direction on what's your observation. Meanwhile, I want to read your comments. Whatever you have to say to Tupee, please leave the message in the comments, and it's going to get to him. We say thank you all for following our program and for staying glued to our channel to watch what's going on. We say thank you for that precious time you share with us. And Tupee, what you say to the outro?
Thank you to everybody watching us, and thank you for everybody. Thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. And for those of you that are here to subscribe to Tupee channel, subscribe to City Hit. Shout out to City Hit TV. Shout out to all my superstars, super fans, and all my well-wishers and supporters.
Yeah, that's what's up. And also, we're gonna leave Tupee's social media links on this interview, so that if you want to connect with Tupee, you can actually get directly to him. So you can always leave reviews about his songs and get everything all going fine. It's all about entertainment. Nothing more, nothing less. Bring this program to an end. Yeah. Peace out. Yeah, thank you all for viewing.